Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, hello, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. Today I'm going to be showing you a day and night look featuring the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette, which is a collab with Desi, Perkins, and Katy. So let's get started. Starting off with a bare face, I already have my eyebrows done, and I also forget to mention in my videos that I do prime my eyelids with a concealer base and I set it with a loose powder. The first shade I'm going in with is called Necessary because it is necessary to use this as your transition shade. Okay, I'm done with the jokes. But I'm just applying this into my crease and I'm blending it up a little bit higher than the crease, and this is my transition shade. I'm applying this shade Churro to the crease just to deepen it up a little bit. This shade is called Girl Bye, and I'm taking this and just layering it right on top of that brown that we just placed. This is just going to deepen the crease even more. This shimmery shade is called Just a Kiss, and I'm taking that with my finger. I find that it's better to apply shimmery shades on my lid with my finger better than the brushes. For my outer corner or my outer V, whatever you want to call it, I'm taking the shade called Try Me. And then to deepen the look, I'm taking this brown called Cheens and just placing that right on top of the red. Skipping the eyeliner on this look, I'm going in with the Salon Perfect Lashes in 614. These are the ones that Juicy Jazz raves about, and honestly, I wasn't impressed. I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup off camera, so I'm going to be right back. And I'm back. Face is on. If you want to know my face products, it will be down in the description box below. So we're just going to finish up the eye look. I'm highlighting the inner corners and my brow bone with that same shimmery shade. Last step for the eyes is to go ahead and go in with that Try Me shade again, and I'm placing that under my lower lash line. I did not get anything else in the collection besides the palette, so I'm just going in with this Too Faced lipstick called Sunday Funday. And I'm just topping that off with this lip gloss by Colourpop. This is from the My Little Pony collection. So that completes the daytime look. As you can see, it's pretty simple, no eyeliner, no, extraness, so. So now it is time to move on to the nighttime makeup. I still have my face makeup already on. We're going to go in with that same transition shade and apply that into the crease and blend it up above. Once again, I'm going in with Churro and applying that to my crease. I'm using Cheens to deepen my crease and make sure it's blended all the way out. For the lid, I'm taking this blue shade called A Moment, and sis, I was so impressed by the pigment of this shade. Of course, we have to deepen that blue a little bit, so I'm taking Game Over and applying that to my outer V. To be even more dramatic, I'm applying some eyeliner and winging it out. This is just the e.l.f. eyeliner. Again, $1. Then I've got to apply some falsies. I don't remember which ones these are. I'm sorry. And I am lining my lower lash line, and only halfway because we're going in with an oldie but a goodie. This is the Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty, and I'm applying that into my inner corner as well as the rest of my lower lash line. I'm also applying Trophy Wife to my brow bone. To complete this look, I'm going in with a Colourpop Liquid Lippy. This is called Mess Around. And our nighttime look is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to see more 2-Look 1 palette tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye!
Speed it up, look at the diamonds, they eat it up. Diamond 2, stop eating it up. They thinking